Some verbs related to football. Play. Play. To take active part in a game. He couldn't play football because of an injury. He couldn't play football because of an injury. Kick. Kick. To hit the ball with your foot. Who kicks penalty in football? Who kicks penalty in football? Dribble. Dribble. To move the ball along with several short kicks, hits or bounces. He dribbled past 2 defenders and scored a magnificent goal. He dribbled past 2 defenders and scored a magnificent goal. Head. Head. To use your head to make the ball go in a certain direction. He headed the ball into the back of the net. He headed the ball into the back of the net. Pass. Pass. To kick or head the ball to another player on the same team. Why do they keep passing back to the goalie? Why do they keep passing back to the goalie? Score. Score. To get a goal. When he scored, the crowd went wild. When he scored, the crowd went wild. Shoot. Shoot. To try to kick, hit or throw the ball into a goal. He should have shot instead of passing. He should have shot instead of passing.